guys, are you ready for your Wednesday assessments? So for your first math assessment, we have our place value blocks. You're going to look at the hundreds place and count those up, the tens place, count those up, and the ones place and count those up. Then where it says total, T-O-T-A-L, you're going to write the number that those blocks represent, just like we do in stations every morning. For your second math assessment, what you're going to do is label the coins. This is money identification and counting, so you need to know which coins are which. Pay attention to the faces, especially if your printer prints black and white. You need to pay attention to the faces. If I were you, the first thing I would do is go in and color all the pennies brown. That way you don't get confused while you're doing this. So color all the pennies brown first. Then you're going to label the coins. If it's a dime, you'll put A. If it's a quarter, you'll put B. If it's a nickel, you'll put C. If it's a penny, you'll put D, or you can write the names of the coins next to them. You can even put their values up there to remind you which coin is which. Now, the next part, you're going to count the coins and write the answer on the line. So you're going to count how much money is in each box and write the answer on the line next to it. If you need a separate sheet of notebook paper to do some addition, use a separate sheet of notebook paper, or you can do it on that same page. Just make sure when you do your addition, you're lining up your ones place and your tens place. Now for your reading assessment of the day, you're going to read a little bit longer paragraph, okay? Then you're going to answer, where is Ben, who is Ben with, and why does Ben want to see the ducks? That sounds like an interesting paragraph. So, you're going to read this paragraph 3 times. I'll say that again. You're going to read the paragraph 3 times. Okay? Then, for each question, where is Ben? I'm going to take a red crayon, because that's what it says, and underline the sentence that tells me where Ben is. Okay, so with my red crayon, I'll underline where Ben is, and then I will write that sentence on the line. So if this sentence is, Ben is at the mall, and the question is, where is Ben? I'm not going to put mall on the line. Is mall a sentence? No, it doesn't have a verb in it. I'm going to put on that line, Ben is at the mall. That is a full sentence, and then I'm going to put a period at the end. So for all 3 of those, you need to write full sentences and underline where you found that answer in the paragraph with the color that it says. Okay, if you need to replay this to listen to the instructions again, please do. Then when you're done with all 3 assessments, join me back here for some shake break time.